Hello you guys, I'm going to try to do a day in the life video today. It's about 9 o'clock. We're not really morning people usually, so we're just hanging out waiting for the rest of the gang to wake up. I actually just got a text from one of my friends. Yesterday was Diego's birthday, and so she dropped off cupcakes this morning. She had to come by before we woke up, that's why. They're on the porch. Ooh. Girl. And take a look out here. It's so beautiful with all the leaves falling right now. He was mad that I went outside, so he got my shoes on. They're strawberry with strawberry icing, and that's my fave. My friend Rose from the Sweet Spot has really hooked me up this past week with sweets, and they are amazing. Like, everything that she touches is like amazing. So you guys check her out. I'll put her Facebook page link in the description. So good. So good. Good morning.
Good morning.
Is that you? Me and JJ are taking a little mother-son trip to Dollar General. I've got my coffee in my hand, but I realized that Diego doesn't have much more of his lactaid milk, and to calm down for a nap and for bed, I warm up a small cup of lactaid, and it really helps get him wound down. So gotta have our lactaid, and I don't want to take both of the kids out to the store later in the cold, so we're just gonna go real quick. You get what you get this morning. I got a nice pajama action going on. I know that it's better to get dressed before you leave the house, but yeah, it's Dollar General. They'll be okay. I stayed in there way too long, and I probably got too many things, but they had a clearance area for summer stuff, and we travel often, so a pool float for less than $1 and a little tumbler that says Fiesta Time on it for like 50 cents. Okay, yes, we shall buy these unnecessary things. Okay, let's go inside and make some lunch because I know my family is getting hungry. It's about lunchtime, so I'll show you what we got. Today I'm gonna make some super easy burrito bowls, so I'll show you what ingredients I'm using. I'm gonna make the ground turkey. All you do is cook it up, and then I'm gonna add the sauce to it. My hair's been really wild lately, so I put it back. After the veggies are cooked and sauteed up, you add it to the meat, and that's basically it. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna knock some of this out while I wait for the vegetables. I knocked out a lot of it, but I still got this left. But I have stacked all that I can stack right now. I'm also making the kids some burgers because this is a tiny bit spicy, and then I've got the rice started over here. I'm gonna add some salt, pepper, and garlic powder to this so it's not so bland, and then it'll be time to eat. Round 2. I was gonna try to go outside with the kids for a little while and play, but it just feels kind of too cold right now, and they're kind of just like, ugh. So we go back inside and play for the rest of the day because it's not too cold, and so I'm in for a rude awakening when winter comes because I'm cold right now and it's 52. I'm not ready for the 32s. Although I do hope it snows a couple times this winter because I want some soup, hot chocolate, and cuddle days. We're back inside. I got the kids to clean up their mess for the most part, but now it needs to be swept. It looks crazy and crummy and everything. I literally only went one day without doing dishes, laundry, and sweeping, and it feels like I'm a week behind. It's insane how much can pile up in just one day. Doing dishes right now because I got a ton of big pans from cooking, but I wanted to say first and foremost that I really appreciate all of the new subscribers. I remember a few months ago, especially, I don't know, back in February and March when I was first starting to edit videos really well. I was still practicing and everything with my editing skills, but I was getting maybe 50 subscribers per month, and sometimes I will get 100 subscribers within a week now, and that has been really awesome. A lot of my shorts is the reason for that because I feel like the shorts are bringing people in better than the long form videos. But yeah, it's been really cool to watch the channel grow, and I appreciate you guys. Also, when I went to Dollar General today, it really got me in a Christmas / holiday spirit, and I really enjoyed that. So I'm ready for some holiday food and activities. Can't forget about Thanksgiving because you always got to give thanks, but I get most excited about Christmas, all the Christmas movies, and all of the fun activities to do with the kids. I'm ready to try out some crafts for you guys this year. I would have a Christmas tree, but right now we live in a 2-bedroom trailer that is pretty much got something in about every corner, and so we don't have a place for a Christmas tree, and it would always get messed with. I know that the kids would probably be so excited that they wouldn't know how to leave it alone. So we're not going to do a Christmas tree this year. In the future, I hope to have a little Christmas tree when we move somewhere more permanent and have a little bit more space. But Diego is needing a nap, and he is fighting that chair, and I'm gonna wrap up these dishes and see if I can get him to take a nap. Now it's laundry time. It doesn't get more fun than this day. No, I really don't mind. If I can clean and do my things on my own pace and take little breaks, play with the kids and stuff like that, I'm really okay with everything that I have to get done. For the sensitive little babies. I'm going to spend some time with the kiddos the rest of the day and put my phone away and just enjoy having the kids and learning and still cleaning. I just started my laundry and got done with the dishes. So I'm going to allow myself some rest time and get back to cleaning, and we will see you guys sometime soon.